Hello guys and welcome to another video. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to do sums, counts, averages for any column you want inside Google Sheets. So first off, let's begin by selecting our column. Let's go with latitude. Here's a bonus tip. When you press Ctrl Shift down, it selects all the values in the column. And now if we go to this bottom right corner, we can see sum. This is the combined sum of all the values in that column. You can also choose average, min, max, count how many rows there are. But keep in mind guys, this only works for numbers of course. If you select a textual column, you will be able to only see its row count. So yeah, this has been it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.